What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Emily. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning OG, wish poppin', what's up? What's good? You know, thank you for coming back. Today's video is just going to be on this unit from Megalook hair. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys, so today's video is just going to be on this 13 by 4 or 6, I'll put it in the description box, water wave unit. Water wave, yeah, it kind of gives me water wave, I'm not sure. And it is 22 inches in case I ain't say well of that. Y'all, this is one of my early, and it does come with the little strap inside of the wig already. This is one of my early days filming, and I had my coffee. Well, I'm still having my coffee. I get a grande white mocha with extra whipped cream from Starbucks. That's my drink or whatever. Let's try to remove my removable eyebrow, y'all. We don't do that. Okay, wig. So we just not gonna use the well, I think I'm gonna have to cut the strap out, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the strap. You guys, so I want to cut my real hair into like a bob. Nobody in my life wants me to do it, but I want to do it. So I think I'm gonna do that. That was so random. I just thought I almost cut my hair. So yeah, this wig is just really friggin' small, so we're gonna have to cut our cap back a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with the install, and this is just how it turned out. Super cute, super cute. I'm here for this. Let me pull it onto the front. This hair is so pretty. I just love this pattern. It's so pretty. Like, look at that. I left the I had like washed it yesterday and I let it air dry, so I had to re-wet the front just because in installing it and stuff, you know, it kind of got a little frizzy. But the back portion is like how it looks dried. So yeah, it is so pretty, and it'll be so pretty completely dried. Like, a lot of this is wet right here, but completely dry, I just know this is gonna be bomb, y'all. Bomb. Yes, I'm here for this. I like this. This is so pretty. The hair is from Megalook hair, and it is 22 inches. And I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it's water wave, because it just looks like, and it's behaving like a water wave hair. It's not giving me deep wave at all. So yes, thank you Megalook for sending me this bomb unit. This is so pretty, you guys. I think it was regular lace. It wasn't transparent, but it definitely gave transparent tease. Like, you can't see the lace. Like, where is the lace? Nowhere. It don't exist. It ain't there. Like her. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.